Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable low blue light mode on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings, display and sound, picture, advanced settings, and go all the way down until you find low blue light. Now you can set it to off, low, middle or high. If I set it to high, you can see how the image appears more orangish, yellowish than it typically would with low blue light off. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.